Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In today's episode, we are going to be learning how to change character in Headball 2. You can switch to a different character in Headball 2 in a few simple steps. So let's get started. First of all, open the Headball 2 application on your mobile device, and once you're inside the home page, tap on the character option at the bottom left. Browse through the available characters, and then you will be able to notice that some characters may need to be unlocked using coins, gems, or events. Tap on the character that is available and you'd like to change to, and then tap on the select button. Your new character will now be active in matches. Now you can customize your gameplay by using the character that suits your style. So that is how you can easily change character in Headball 2 in just a couple of steps. If you found the video helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Gameplay Classic for more videos like this. I will be back again with the next video. Stay tuned till then.